What happened at the beginning of everything? This question has preoccupied scientists and philosophers for centuries. But now, new data from a telescope in Antarctica may be giving us the answer, the confirmation that physicists have long been looking for, that the universe rapidly expanded right after the Big Bang, a theory called cosmic inflation. Physicists believe that in the first billionth of a trillionth of a trillionth of a trillionth of a second of the universe's life, it underwent a mind-bogglingly rapid expansion. But finding evidence for this is fiendishly hard. Researchers must look in the very fabric of space-time for clues. According to Einstein, when something really violent happens, like the rapid expansion of the universe after the Big Bang, it creates ripples in space-time. He called these ripples gravitational waves. As gravitational waves pass through the universe, they compress and expand space. Finding the very first gravitational waves would tell us about the birth of the universe, if only we could see them. The expanding universe would have stretched these primordial waves so much that today the distortions they cause would be absolutely minuscule. So how on Earth, or in space, are we supposed to find them? Imagine a beach. The waves roll in, and as they do, they churn up the sand, mixing and distorting it. The waves recede with the tide, but they leave behind an imprint. Ripples in the sand. The universe isn't covered in sand. In fact, it's mostly nothing. But one thing it is full of is radiation, the cosmic microwave background. The cosmic microwave background is the afterglow of the Big Bang, and it is everywhere. Perhaps this radiation could hold an imprint of gravitational waves. To find out, a team led by the Center for Astrophysics in Massachusetts built super-sensitive radiation detectors. They took them to the South Pole, installed them in a telescope, and started looking for ripples in the sand. 9 years of painstaking search and analysis later, and they found something. Swirling patterns in the cosmic microwave background, created, they say, by gravitational waves from the beginning of the universe. This is the most direct evidence ever for the existence of gravitational waves, as predicted by general relativity almost 100 years ago. But more than that, it is the most convincing evidence yet for inflation. It seems that finally, scientists can claim to understand the very earliest moments of the universe.